So you want to start working with brands, but you have no idea where to get started. Don't worry, I got you. Hey guys, my name's Cody. I'm a full-time content creator. I've had the pleasure of working and collabing with brands such as Sony, Marriott, JetBlue, Visit Abu Dhabi, and many more. My goal today is to help you get started and having conversations with the brands that you've always looked up to. But there's one thing that you need to do first. Let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a media kit. A media kit consists of things like information about yourself, analytics on your social medias, content that you want to share with those brands or companies, and any other information that you think can add value to your brand. Now, before you just start diving into creating your media kit, you kind of want to have a conversation with yourself and figure out, who do I want to work with and how am I going to create this media kit to best suit their needs? Ultimately, you're going to want to have multiple media kits for different avenues, like one for travel, one for hotels, one for apparel, etc., etc. But for now, let's just start with one. So now you may be asking, how do I create one? What I would suggest would be canva.com. That's what I use for not only my media kits, but invoices and other things like that. You can go onto their website, search media kits, and there will be a bunch of templates that pop up that can help get you started and give you an idea of what your media kit should look like and how you want to create it to make it more aesthetically pleasing. Once you've created your media kit, your goal is now to get it into as many hands as possible. If you have any questions on this topic, drop them below in the comments section. I'm going to continue to make more videos on business tips and tricks and helping you get to where you want to be. Thank you to everyone who's supported me so far in my new YouTube journey. Appreciate y'all. It's been real.